In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in X account on PC. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in x.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of X. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself, or you can also log into your account. So what you have to do is click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can continue with Google, Apple, or enter the phone, email, or username over here. So simply click on the sign in method that you prefer. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So for that, click on the field of phone, email, or username. Now enter the email address over here. After you do that, click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password. Click on the field of password and enter it. If you have forgotten the password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, enter the password over here. Now after you enter the email and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into X. So that is how you log in X account on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.